Those in support of this motion say aye. Those against say nay.
And I represent the people of Karu-Kefi, Kokona Federal Constituency of Nasarawa State. I rise under Order 8, Rule 5, that you allow me take a matter of urgent public importance and equally to request that a relevant rule be suspended. And the subject matter is the need to investigate alleged fraudulent allocation of title documents to some real estate developers before the appointment of the Minister of the FCT. I so move.
Any seconder?
They are also aware that the President, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, was sworn in on May 29th, 2024, making the start of the 4-year term as President and Kashim Shettima as the Vice President. The House is also aware that the current Minister of the FCT, Nyesom Wike, assumed office as the FCT Minister on the 21st of August 2023. However, the House observed that in the period of May 29, 2023 to August 21st, 2023, several title documents of land in the FCT were issued to some real estate developers in a highly suspicious manner. Concerned that some of the lands affected were subject to litigation which were yet to be resolved, but disturbed that some of the beneficiaries of these alleged fraudulent allocations are already using them to forcefully grab, dislodge, and equally inflict harm on landowners, which is a recipe for further conflict. Convinced that if the title documents of land is fraudulently issued or procured, whatever is built on, it should not stand in the interest of the public. The House therefore resolves to A, investigate all allocations of land in the name of the Minister of the FCT Abuja given within the period of 29th May 2023 to the 21st August 2023 when the office was vacant. Secondly, that all such lands which are subject to litigation or multiple allocation should be identified and their allocations withdrawn by the Minister pending a resolution of the matter. And 3, mandate the relevant committee to investigate and report back to the House within 3 weeks. I so move.
Thank you. Any seconder? Yes. Not you behind.
I represent the group people of Ado-Ekiti, report the Federal Constituency. I'm from Ekiti State. My amendment to the motion this morning. My amendment has to do with the extension of times, simply because some allocation might have been backdated. So I want to move that the time frame should be extended till January 2023 till August 2023. I so amend. Thank you, sir.
I didn't hear you.
He said the time frame should be extended to accommodate 2023.